car battery replacement cost. Your car's battery is its lifeblood and is necessary to power all of its electrical systems. Without a well-charged battery, you won't be able to operate the vehicle or tune into the radio. The battery in your car will eventually need to be replaced at some point. You must therefore understand how much a car battery costs and when to replace it. So let's learn the cost of replacing your car battery. Car battery replacement costs range from $45 to $250 depending on power, size and quality. For the battery, you can expect to pay between $50 and $120 for a standard type and between $90 and $200 for a premium type, depending on the make and model of your car. The labour price ranges between $20 to $90. You may get a new car battery fitted or have your present battery checked at your neighbourhood dealership, auto parts store or automotive service facility. The size of the battery you need depends on the type of car. Not all cars use the same battery. Ensure the battery type fits the box and voltage requirements. Compact batteries are cheaper than heavy-duty ones. Doing it yourself saves money, like other car repairs. Changing a car battery is not difficult and can be done at home with minimal tools. Some retailers offer free installation if you buy the battery from them, though the battery may cost more. Causes for car battery failure? A battery dies when the active material in the plates can no longer support a discharge current. The active positive plate material typically sheds or flakes off as a car, or starting, battery ages as a result of the typical expansion and contraction that take place throughout the discharge and charge cycles. As a result, the plate capacity decreases and sludge or mud, a brown silt, accumulates at the bottom of the case, which can short a cell's plates out. As soon as the short occurs, it will kill the battery. The aging process is sped up by deep discharges, heat, vibration, quick charging, and overcharging. The loss of water during regular charging owing to poor maintenance, evaporation from excessive underhood heat, or overcharging accounts for about 50% of early automobile battery failures. Premature failures are also brought on by positive grid expansion and undercharging that results in sulfation. Deep cycle batteries typically fail on their own as a result of positive grid corrosion, creating an open connection. Another reason is the shedding of active material. When a deep cycle battery is recharged after a prolonged discharge, dendrite shorts between the plates may occur. The shorted cell's low resistance bridge will heat up and cause the electrolyte to boil out, producing large amounts of hydrogen and oxygen. Are you learning from the video so far? Great! You won't want to miss out on our future content. So subscribe now to stay updated. Let's keep it going. How often should you replace your battery? A lot of auto experts agree that you should replace your battery every 4 to 5 years, while the exact interval is dependent on several variables that affect battery life. Although batteries can last up to 5 years or longer with adequate care, most automotive batteries lose their effectiveness after 3 years of regular use under normal circumstances. Every time your car's battery is charged by the motor, it gradually degrades, just like the battery in your computer or smartphone does with each charge. It's typically time to install a replacement after 3 years. Most automotive batteries become almost completely unstable after 4 or 5 years. Many safety and reliability problems can be caused by outdated car batteries. Fortunately, it's simple to tell if the battery in your automobile is getting close to the end of its useful life. Symptoms for a defective battery? A dead battery may indicate a more serious electrical issue beyond just a lack of power. Electronic testers can assess battery health, and batteries older than 3 or 4 years often need replacement. Prolonged inactivity and short drives can shorten battery life. Check for corrosion, discoloration, and terminal buildup, which can be cleaned with baking soda and water. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.